Hello, International Strategist. Welcome to another episode on the Global Strategy Hub. Today we will discuss some already existing tools that most universities have in place. If you are looking for quick, tangible results and easily implementable enhancements to programs you already run, watch this video till the end and share your ideas and experiences with us. So, what are some of those tools and programs we are talking about? Some of those existing tools may include
your international faculty who come from different countries. They are a great asset for your university, as they can bring their expertise, connections, and interests to your internationalization efforts. Some of them may already have collaborations with their home institutions, and others may be willing to start new ones with your support. You can start by conducting a faculty survey to map out their interests by country, area of expertise, and preferences for teaching, research, projects, or grants. This will give you a clear picture of the opportunities and potential partners that you can pursue. Then you can provide them with encouragement and support to develop and lead international programs.
Your existing programs and partnerships that are already successful. You may have some exchange or study abroad programs with some partners in certain disciplines, such as business. Why not expand them to other disciplines that both universities offer, such as engineering or science? You can also add a joint course in business as a precursor to the study abroad program, so that the students and faculty can interact online for a full semester before meeting in person. This will add more value and depth to your programs and partnerships.
Your visiting scholar or internship programs. These are excellent ways to enhance your international research and build long-lasting research teams. Your faculty members may appreciate these programs, as they can increase their publication output and network. You can take these programs to another level by setting clear expectations and goals for each program, such as producing a manuscript or a report. You can also encourage each program to have a co-supervisor from the home and host institution, so that they can work together and continue their joint research or teaching in the future. You can also try to organize some multidisciplinary programs for scholars and interns, which can open doors to invitations to participate in various international development projects.
In this Part 1 video, we shared some of the existing tools you can use to enhance your internationalization. Start implementing them today to enrich your students, faculty, partners, community, and reputation. Share your farts and questions in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you and start a conversation. Thank you for watching this episode, and remember to subscribe so you do not miss Part 2 and any other episodes and tips.